Guys, look what I found. I just found the jackpot at a store. Look at those splat balls. They have this red one, like a red head. They have a gray shark. Let's see. This blue eyeball. These are all splat balls. A blue shark. A blue head. A black shark. A black shark right here. And then more eyeballs and stuff. Oh, guys, they literally have poppets. So they have like a yellow square. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a big red square. This is a hexagon that's like tie-dye blue and white. Oh my goodness, there's so many. There's a puzzle. Guys, that is awesome. There's another puzzle. There's like so much down here. A neon star, literally. Well, this one I can pop, see? That's so cool. Yeah, and then we can pop this side. Listen. Yeah, so there's that. Oh my god, look at these two skulls. These skull poppets. We found the jackpot here, and there's another bin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe for more.